Good afternoon mga ka-study buddy. Sa video ito, papakita ko kung paano mag-insert ng table. Okay, so yung example natin dito is yung TCT, Transfer Certificate of Title, or yung mga land title. Okay, so gagawa natin ng table ang technical description ng TCT. Okay, so may dalawang way paano mag-insert ng table. Una, dito sa may home tab, sa may annotation panel, so table, so creates an empty table object. Okay, so para itong Excel table. Okay, so pag kinlik nyo yan, so ito yung magiging itsura. Okay, so yung isang way is by typing shortcut key, so TB. Okay, then table, then click mo yan or enter. So nandito mako-customize mo kung ilang number of column or data row, same with yung column width and row height. Okay, then dito sa table, mapipreview nyo kung ano yung magiging itsura ng table. Una is yung first row cell style. Pwede kang mamili dyan kung gusto mong naka-header or naka-title. It's up to you. Or data. Okay? Then, same with second row and all other row cell styles. So, pwede mo rin yan ma-customize kung ano yung gusto mong maging itsura ng table mo. Then, click OK. Okay? So, ito na yung magiging initial table natin. Okay? Then, i-adjust na lang natin ito. Ayan. Okay? So, for the first row, so, ang aking ilalagay dito is technical description. Okay? So, type text. Okay? Then, specify corner point. Then, justify. Then, MC. Height is 0.7. 0.7. Then, enter. Then, specify opposite corner. Okay? Then, technical description. Okay? And next is so our lines, bearings, and distance. Okay? So, again, click nyo na lang yung space bar para kung ano yung last na command na ginamit mo, yun yung mag-appear. So, without typing. Okay? Then, specify corner point. Then, justify. MC. Okay? The height is 0.5. Then, enter. Then, specify opposite corner. Then, type lines. So, this time, kakopy ko na lang to. So, copy. Okay. Then, edit ko na lang. This is bearings. And, double click. Then, highlight. Then, type distance. Okay. Next is our, ito, i-merge ko to. Okay. So, para lang itong sa Excel natin, no? Merge cells. So, click, then, by row. Text. Then, specify first corner. Then, justify. MC for the justification. Then, height, 0.5. And, opposite corner point. Then, lot 809 -D -2 -B 1 A. Okay, ito makikita sa first page ng TCT. Okay, the next is ilalagay na natin dito yung mga corner, bearings, and distance dito sa tatlong column na to. Okay, then so mtext, then specify first corner point, justify MC. Okay, height, the height is 0.4, enter, then opposite, then 1 2. Okay, next is kakopy ko na lang to. Okay, so click, then copy. Okay, then edit 2-1, 2-3, 3-4, then 4-1. Then next is the bearing. Okay, so copy ko to, and so south 84 degree, so insert symbol degree, then 35 minutes, and west, and copy. Okay, and edit ko na lang to para okay, so north 6 degrees, then 33 minutes west, then next is north 84 degrees 35 minutes east, then last south 6 degrees and 34 minutes east. And next, the distance. Okay, so yung distance is 6.01 meter. Okay, so copy ko lang ulit ito. Okay, 6.01 meter, then copy. .32. Okay, then ito copy ko, then next is so itong part, so i-merge ko ulit ito. Okay, then ito i-delete ko. Okay, delete row. Okay, then so mtext, specify corner point, then justify MC, height, the height is 0.35, then enter, and opposite. Then dito ilalagay ko is tie line, north 45 degrees 11 minutes east. And 1,768.41 meter from LM number 8 Tala Estate to corner 1. Okay. Then, maglalagay ako ng note for the... So, copy ko na lang yan. Okay. Para sa muhon. Okay, note. All other corners are PS okay. So 15 by 40 cm. So ito makikita dyan, ito yan. Ito yan, yung muhon. 15 by 40 cm. Then, okay. So that's all for our topic for today. Thank you very much.